Good morning, everyone. So after a long day's travel, yesterday I reached this place called Beer Billing, and I'm staying at this place called Hostel. It's a very upcoming. This is a tent which they have. Very upcoming sort of a place. सबका एंगल थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे होता ही है ना. It's not exactly straight. Hey guys, guess where I'm right now? That's where I am. Woohoo! And that's the corner over here is Zip Hostel where I'm staying. In the air. So that was my first paragliding trip, and it was just absolutely awesome. It's not the word. Bobby, thanks a lot, yeah. Thank you, thanks a lot. So this is a pomelo fruit, chakotra they call it over here, chakotra, and you must have seen this is a red inside like an orange. And the locals over here, they taste, they have it in some different way like a chaat. So this is what they make out of it. So that's what they make. They add some chutney over. The chutney is so amazing. And you pick this up, and then some more. Can't have only one spoon. Amazing. I should have this. Fantastic. Something new we are trying is called जुम्मा. जुम्मा क्या बोलते हैं भैया? बोलिए.
भैया ये है बकरे की आंत के अंदर हमने ब्लड, चर्बी, आटा, सूजी बना उसको मिक्स करके डाला होता है. उसके बाद हम इसको बॉईल करते हैं. जब कस्टमर खाता है तो हम इसे फ्राइड करके देते हैं.
ओके. भाई आप खुद बनाते हैं?
हम खुद बनाते हैं.
बढ़िया है, बढ़िया. So this is called जुम्मा, and it has blood in it, and I have seen this portion. Look at the, yeah, that's the blood, चर्बी, आटा, बहुत कुछ है इसमें.
अदरक लहसुन की पेस्ट.
ओह वाओ. ओके. इसको हम जाएंगे बारबेक्यू कोशिश करेंगे. बारबेक्यू नहीं बना तो डीप फ्राई करके खाएंगे इसका. परफेक्ट. थैंक यू. थैंक्स अ लॉट. Chicken curry. I was asked to cook a meal for 10 guests as well as the Hostel staff. So made a 3-course meal for them that included a veg barbecue like potato, pineapple and chicken barbecue for the starters, a chicken curry for the main course, and a sizzling brownie with ice cream for dessert. Oh, we had an amazing evening.
खुद लगाओ, डिवाइस में लगाए. इसको ठंडी लगेगा. ये वाला.
Is it a night mode or something? It is coming very dark.
Yogi, you won't get
So finally we fried this zumma which we got. It's made it crispy, and let's see how it tastes.
Your talent is being missing.
A lot of atta, a lot of wheat flour in it, very little blood or fat. Yeah.
शॉट से ये यार
जुम्मा. हाँ तो जुम्मा.
हिमाचल
Hey guys, good morning. And I'm about to do something very, very crazy. So, this is my first lesson for a paragliding course. So, that's the paragliding I'll be doing, and it's a 10-12 day course. And ah, it's crazy, and I will be doing this course. I'll be learning how to paraglide B1, B2. Hopefully, I'll start the process. This is my paraglider, and that's my teacher. And hopefully we'll get it done in a span of 10 days. I'll get my certification. Wish me luck, guys. Look at this guy over here. This guy is a teenager. He's been doing his ground practice for more than a year now. He just doesn't let the glider to fall down. He's been controlling for the last half an hour. I've seen him. It's just a kid. He doesn't let the glider fall. मतलब क्या कंट्रोल है बंदे का. गिरने ही नहीं देगा. अभी देखो, अभी देखता है. Then he asks people just to push him, and that's what he does. It's the second day of paragliding course. It's been an hour, and I'm tired. I am freaking tired. I've been sprinting the whole freaking morning. There's no wind, so I literally have to carry the paraglider. No wind at all, and the winds are changing like at the spur of the moment. So the glider has to, the person has to, pilot has to actually carry the parachute with him. It's crazy. It's tiring. I just asked for a 10-15 minute break, and I'm gonna rest for a bit now. So it's a Saturday night, and I've come here to this place called Astitva Camps, and they have a trance night today. But the different thing is, I'm not come here as one of the guests over here, but I'm come here representing Hippostil, and they have a small stand over here, and they're selling hash brown, they're selling nachos and some of other stuff, and I'll be actually helping them out to set up the set up the stall, and sell some items. So it's an amazing experience.
समझता नहीं था उलझता नहीं था हसीने बदल कहा थी मुझे
Have Babu. Ask Naval also, no?
And you have the insurance? अरे ऊपर से निकाल लो ना, मिर्ची ऊपर ही है, अंदर नहीं है.
He's just asking what's different if there's only red chilies on
नहीं,
the
नहीं.
top. इसलिए अंदर आलू है.
अच्छा ऐसा.
आलू उबले हुए वो देखो ये सिखाएंगे वाला ऑमलेट बनाया इसमें आई थिंक यू डिडंट ऐड अनियंस एंड ऑल सिर्फ अंडा फेटा अंडे में दूध डाला
दूध, नमक और. So I have an alternative source of employment. What happened was, today being a Sunday, I was just fooling around, and so I told these guys, "Hey, let me make something for you." So I plan to make some string hash browns for them, and some omelets and Spanish omelets or something. So while I was making it, I was in the kitchen. Some guests walk in the cafe and they saw the strings hash browns in Alak's hand, and we got 3 more orders of that. And then we got 1 more order of that, and we finished all the potatoes. We got few more orders again. We had to say no for that. So it was a busy kitchen throughout the morning, and it's been going on. So I was being offered a job, like, what do you think? Should we talk business? Alak says, and it is funny. But pull, go on your left, left. Or release and check. Hands up. That's called a sunset. We are on the roofs of Apostle. That's Apostles. Guys, say hi. Hello. So that's the guys. That's Kapil. That's Vaibhav. Say hi, guys.
Hello. Hi.
So that's how it is. Don't mind my hair. Just come back from the training. So that's what you're looking at. We're just sitting here to bask in the sun. Yeah, amazing view. We are at a place called Himalayan Pizza. It's in the afternoon and they're having a live band over here. Amazing feeling. A lot of people. Good evening, guys. It's the 12th of December and I got bored of staying in Apostle. So I shifted to this place. And this place is called Hostela. It's a good place, very vibrant, a lot of people. I don't know whether they're volunteers or they actually stay here. But yeah, a lot of people over here. अभी बहुत मज़ा आया. हम लोग गए थे चोरी करने के लिए. यहाँ पे एक जगह है जहाँ पे एक जंगली पेड़ है, वहाँ पे नहीं तो गए वहाँ पे दो लोग बाइक पे चोरी करने और बीच में पुलिस ने पकड़ लिया बिकॉज यू आर नॉट वेयरिंग एन हेलमेट. तो उसको कैसे वैसे करके मनाया, पैसे ऐसे नहीं दिए, ऐसे करके मना दिया. हाँ सर करेक्ट है, आप सही हो करके मना दिया फाइनली. और उसने बोला चलो वापस जाओ. हम वापस जाने के बदले में जैसे ही लेफ्ट वी वेंट टू द प्लेस, स्टोल दिस एंड व्हेन वी वर कमिंग बैक वी सी हिम अगेन ही स्टॉप्ड अस. हमारे पीछे Apostle तक आ गया. Apostle तक आ गया ये देखने के लिए whether we are going the same way or not. Finally he came in and we had a word with everyone कि helmet पहन के घूमो whatever. But we got what we set out for. We got these fruits. अब जिसका चाट बना के खाएंगे. बोले तो बाय बाय.
एक बार नहीं हुआ था, दोबारा फिर करा था गाने का.
Done. Well, I'm trying to go back to my hostel from Apostle and this is Vagya following me. Vagya, get out. Go. And that he comes back again. I don't know what to do. Jack, get out. Go. He's following me and I don't want him to come there. See, Again. आ गया. I have to shoot my way. I have to kick his balls if I have to. Okay, later. We are on our way to the takeoff site, Welling. The vehicle is loaded with a lot of gliders, a lot of people. Well, yeah, pretty jittery right now. My first solo trip, first solo flight. It's good, but it's good. It's happy jitters, yeah. So a precursor to paragliding is parabeating. Just because it's my first flight, I have to wait for the right wind. So I've been waiting for like more than 2 hours for the right wind, and it will be a very short flight, maybe not more than 5 or 7 minutes, because I have to go straight down to the landing site.
Say hi.
Hello. So that's my first solo flight. I hope everything goes fine, and I'll see you down later.
All right.
अपना नाम कर लिया आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़ुबान पर सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़ुबान पर सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई तो क्या
Oi!
चाहे तुम कुछ ना कहो मैंने सुन लिया चुन लिया मैंने सुन लिया